Before we start doing the upside down glue, I want to show you some examples. And the good thing here is you can do so many things. Quedó que me está agarrando que asco. ¿Será así? The last project will be a surprise. Will be something special. It is not a table. It is not for the wall. I will use also stones, and when I'm finished you will find out. Okay, so now I show you how I'm doing the glue for the upside down mosaic. Yeah, I wanted to separate it so people can just do the glue and then do the mosaic. Okay, what you need is some flour, some salt, and some hot water, and also a bit of cold water. Okay, I will put here some flour so you have the right measure. So that's enough. Good. And here you boil some hot water. Okay. Now I will bring you a bit closer so you can see better. So now you can heat it up And when it is hot, you can see if it's too thick. And if it's too thick, just put some boiled water inside so you can finish quicker the glue. Once the glue is ready, just let it cool it down for an hour. So this one is cooled down now, the glue, you can see here. But we don't need the top. So I take the top off and throw it away. Now I will mix it again. And I will put it, how to show you? I can't show you like this. Let's see. So now you put it in the fridge. All the time when you use the glue, you take it from the fridge, and when you finish, you put it back, okay? It will last longer. I put salt also to last longer, about 1 or maximum 2 months. I don't know, I didn't try it, but 1 month for sure, even more. So let's put it in the fridge. So I found something out, and I just saw that the glue is a bit too thick. I put just a little water and mixed it again with the glue, and it is much better. It's not so thick anymore, and you can work much better like that. Now the glue, I have it already for 2 months, and it's still okay, and I can still use it actually, and that's why I'm doing other upside down mosaic, because I don't like to throw glue away.